In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border in Constant Contact. If you're looking to add a professional touch to your email campaigns by incorporating a border, you're in the right place. Let's go through the process step by step to ensure your emails not only catch the eye but also convey your message effectively. To begin, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Type in Constant Contact and hit search. It should be the first result that pops up. So go ahead and click on that link to take you straight to the Constant Contact homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the Login button prominently displayed. Click on the Login button. Now enter your login details carefully to access your account. If you don't remember your credentials, there's always the option to reset your password or get assistance through the help section. Once you're successfully logged in, look for the Create button. You'll find this option typically on the dashboard or in the menu bar. Clicking Create allows you to start crafting a new email, among other things. In the drop-down menu that appears, choose Send an Email. This is where you'll define the contents of your next email campaign. You'll have the option to select a template or start from scratch. For today's purpose, we'll be starting from a blank template, so find and click on Start from Blank. Now that you're in the email editor, the next step is to focus on the design of your email. You'll see a design button on your screen. Click on it to access various customization options, including the ability to put borders around your email content. Once in the design section, you'll need to find the outer border option. This setting controls the border that frames your entire email. Look around the side panel. It should be there. It might take a little scrolling, but it's quite straightforward once spotted. After locating the outer border option, you'll see a small arrow icon which allows you to adjust the border thickness. Click on the arrow facing up to gradually increase the thickness of the border. Take your time with this step. Each click increases the thickness, so keep an eye on the preview to see what looks best for your email. Continue clicking until you're satisfied with the border's thickness, achieving the perfect balance between eye-catching and professional. Remember, the goal here is to frame your content effectively without overpowering it. And there you have it. You've now successfully added a border to your email in Constant Contact. With these simple changes, your email is now set to make a strong visual impact on your audience. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.